You can see there's a number property, scoring property, which is giving you your main formula, and then 5 checkboxes, each with a number. Let's say that you want to sort of grade or assign quality metrics or numerical numbers to a set of criteria that you want to label. Let's say for this one, were they prompt, right? We can sort of write that in as a criteria, so on and so forth. Were they responsive? Were they flexible? I just label them 1 through 5 for ease. It's totally up to you, but the goal here today is to use these checkboxes to create a scoring system that you can use with integers, decimals. You could even create like a weighted system. Basically, with a checkbox, when it is filled, it means it is true, right? And when it's empty, it's false. And so a formula that we will be using today is the toNumber function, which basically says, let's convert this variable into a sort of number numerical output. And because checkboxes use the true and false format, we can use that true or false format to create a 0 or 1 output, where 0 is false and 1 is true. And so we're going to be using checkboxes as a way to create a switch in which we can create scoring outputs and use a singular formula property to generate a output based on criteria that you can sort of set and weight and manipulate for your scoring system. Within the formula, as you can see, I've labeled them 1 through 5 for the ease of viewing. All we're doing here is multiplying the number in which we want to assign with toNumber function, in which if it is checkbox, it will return 1, which it would amount to 1 times 1, right? So if I did 1 here, scoring equals 1. So basically I've made it so that in checkbox 1, it is true, we're going to add 1. If checkbox 2 is marked true, we're going to add another 2. So if I